Ang bunso ni Mama.
Diyan, ayaw mo pagpabandong ka, Mama ba? Pag-ibig mo ito.
Bye-bye, Aya.
Uy, bye-bye.
Bye. Going back to Germany and bye, Davao City.
We're collecting donations for the Mental Life Foundation, which supports humanitarian projects.
Green lagi. Hi! Welcome to Takeaway, where flavor finds you. Okay. Hi, welcome! So first time ko natin dito. How are you? Hi!
Angel! Hello!
Hi! Good afternoon. Kayo dalawa? Yes po.
Hi!
Gapo ha, oy. Hi, welcome to Takeaway. Welcome! So this is my cousin Kenneth and Mai.
Welcome to Takeaway Food Hub.
How you find the place, Mads?
Relaxing kayo ng place, perfect sa mga mag-study, ka ng mga students, tapos ka
Thank you
na
so much for
mga college na graduate na no, like mag-review.
Wow!
Dito man.
Dira lang ka ba? Hala, wow! Kabongga.
Dito man so.
Nice, ani, uy. With all the flowers pa yun.
Cute ako ng cake. Uy.
Medyo mga kabalos ba na walang iwas?
Hala ka na.
Thank you. So hi, we are here right now in Carmen. Malapit po sa Panabo, Davao at Tagum. We are here to support the new location opening of Takeaway Foods and Drinks. Ang may-ari po nito ay ang aking pinsan, my first cousin. So let's go inside. This is located sa taas po, sa AR building. Ilagay ko lang po yung location sa baba. Ayan, malapit na po ito sa terminal. If you like to go chilling or nagugutom po kayo sa mga taga Carmen dyan or Davao, dito lang po kayo.
Hala, Diyos ko.
Ready kami?
Okay.
Wait, kailan?
Ilawan mo ito ng cake. Kaliyog daw ko sa tinidor, sir. Kami lang at ilawan man.
Sobrang sarap.
Grabe. Pagkatapos ng bangos na daing ba ito? Spaghetti at saka cake.
Tapos ito, tapos may cake.
Mahal, ikaw lang ang may karapatang kumain ng marami. Uy! Ang laki ng tiyan ko. Ako din, uy, lamiin yung cake. Kamoy naghimo anigang. Sobrang sarap ng cake nila. As in, moist cake talaga. Walang char. Lamit yung cake. Gang, lamig ko din yung cake, gang.
Wala siya kung kalilipid ang wash cake.
Wala siyang titipid. Moist good siya.
Hi! Welcome po, welcome. Come and join. Hi! You're so welcome. My first cousin, Mars. Hello everyone. So I am with the co-owner of Takeaway here in Carmen, Davao del Norte. Hi sir!
Welcome, Steph.
Siya po ang aking first cousin. So ang kanyang mama, ang aking papa ay magkapatid. Bakit Takeaway? What is the meaning of this name of your...
So why takeaway? Takeaway is another term for to go or take out.
Yeah.
So the original idea of the business or the proposed idea for business is to build a food truck or a food cart which offers cold drinks, coffee, which is less hassle para sa customer and for the business as well.
Wow, perfect for the weather in Philippines.
Yeah.
It's so hot. You
So-
just want to stay at home sometimes with their aircon. So
So as you can see, we have a food truck downstairs that offers cold drinks na one drive away lang to your occasions, your events like birthdays, wedding, debut, and many more.
Ay, wow. So nag-cater din kayo ng mga events.
Yes.
Wow, perfect. So what are your challenges in building this business?
So the challenges that we encounter sa pag-build ng business, first is financially. So
Yeah.
we don't have the idea or the original plan is to build only the food truck. We don't have any plan to build a physical store for dine-in. So first dun talaga is yung financially. Then second is location. So location compared to other cities or municipalities, tayo talaga yung competition when it comes to food business, cold like that offers cold drinks similar to our products.
Yeah, marami na
So
din.
competition talaga yung location.
One of the
Second one.
challenges. What are your future plans in takeaway?
Well, future plans for takeaway is to expand the business. At the same time, to create products, more products. Talagang makikilala lahat ng tao. Natatak talaga yung takeaway sa lahat ng within Carmen and outside Carmen.
Wow.
Like nearby cities and municipalities.
Mas better na kung mag-dream tayo, will be a
Dream
big
big.
dream.
Yeah.
So we will be making the takeaway as international.
Wow!
So sabi mo na gusto mong makilala ang takeaways.
Yes.
Ano naka-unique sa takeaway sa iba na mga food food and drinks?
Well, walang masyadong uniqueness yung takeaway compared to other restaurant or coffee shops or like that offers cold drinks. But yung talagang nakakapag-attract lahat ng customers namin is very affordable. And aside from being affordable, is delicious talaga yung food namin. Talagang masarap. Binabalik-balikan. Presyong pangmasa, sakto sa panlasa.
So you are just offering cold drinks, no hot
We have hot coffees. For now, may apat kami na hot coffees, but soon, mag-release na kami ng other hot coffees na kami.
Ano yung best seller ng takeaway na pwede mong ma-recommend sa customer na hindi alam kung anong gustong i-order?
Yeah, so actually, takeaway offers different products. For lahat lang products namin are best seller. But for the for takeaway, for yung parang
Ano gusto
health conscious,
Yeah.
we have fruit teas, we have available strawberry, blueberry, lychee, and many more. And for the kids or para sa mga kabataan dyan, they want non-coffee and of course the milk teas.
Wow. So may discount ba yung mga bata?
Yes.
May
So,
kids menu kayo? Okay, that's great.
for the students lagi yung mga prices ng
Perfect yung location dito kasi malapit lang sa Carmen Public Market ba yan siya sa gilid na yan. So thank you so much Ken for inviting us and thank you sa chance na ma-interview kita.
Thank you so
And
much.
hopefully sa pag-visit namin ulit sa Philippines, maging maraming branches na.
Yes.
Ay, nagbabalak ka ba na magkaroon ng branch sa Tago?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
someday, no? So thank you. Can you invite them to come or invite some manunood natin? Baka nakalaan sila from Davao to Tagum tapos nauuhaw sila. Saan yung location? Maganda sila mag-park. Okay. Can you invite them, please?
So, hello everyone, hello blenders, hello takeaway friends. So once again, I am Ken, the co-owner of Takeaway Food Hub. So I would like to take this opportunity to invite you all here. So if you happen to visit Carmen, Davao del Norte, so don't forget to drop by here at Takeaway Food Hub. So we offers different foods, treats, and cold drinks. From milk teas, fruit teas, coffee, and many more. And we are just a few steps away from Carmen Bus Terminal Station, right in front of BDO Network Bank. So we are open daily for Monday to Thursday. We are open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So hope to see you all to see you all soon here. Hello,
You
events.
can also order online.
Yes, we have deliveries po.
Mag-google ba siya? Okay. Where they order? Only online or the website or sa Facebook?
Facebook, yes, we have Facebook. And
So,
of
both
course,
pwede sila maka-order.
yes.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you here sa takeaway. Dati. Ay, sige, ka na. Sige, smile. Sige, one more. Wow. You smile good? How to smile? Oh, again. One more smile. One more smile. Pretty, Yan, smile.
You see her titita? It's so white.
Yeah, it's white. May tits. Yellowish.
So gray.
Cute.
Okay, thank you.
Yay! Where is Arya?
Ibaba na lang siya. Uy, bugat kayo. Ha? Gamay siya. Kaya namayat siya diri ah.
Okay ra, oy.
Pumayat siya dito.
Oh, I see. It's you.
Okay, let's do the TikTok. Let's just pretend there's a TikTok. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, suddenly, I'm loving you.
Strange.
Ah, you're shy.
After 5 minutes, you wouldn't be shy anymore.
Okay. Eat first. After that. Oh my God. So yummy.
She's so smart, Tita La. Although
Yes.
she doesn't know how to read yet, but she knows how to count up to 300, even 1,000.
Ready?
Patudlo na lang ito count to 1 to 10 in German. In count 1 to 10 in German.
Okay, 1 to 10 now in
In German.
3, go.
Louder lang ga.
I can even hear you.
One, hindi, talata, arbaa, kamsa. One,
Ay, she knows Spanish.
Spanish.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang.
Sige, you go.
Go, Arya.
Ono.
Later na, later.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Dili siya 11 birthday.
I forget. It's not 12.
With the heart. Oy, ka-cute. Bye, tita.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Okay lang mo siya yung video. Hi, Doc. Ay, this is Doc.
Dr. Osorio.
Ikaw yung
This is Dr. Osorio.
Hi, this is Dr. Osorio. Saan ka po na hospital, Doc?
Sa ano ko, Carmen District Hospital.
Ah, dito talaga sa Carmen. Akala ko sa Tagum.
Napon, sa DRMC.
Okay.
Connected
So-
ko dito.
How old are you? Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Pidja po pala siya, doktor ng mga bata. Okay, we go. Thank you so much. Bye, ate. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Teha.
Thank you, din.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Arya.
Bye, Arya. See you.
Affordables. Princess Joy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tia.
Arya ka, Arya.
Arya.
Sa daw, otro ate ka, Arya.
Arya. Arya. Love, love.
Kaya mo, Arya.
Mo-appeal siya. Ay. Bye-bye.
Ingat eh.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Ngayong araw na po tayo magbiyahe papunta ng Germany at sa kasalukuyan po, napakaraming kaganapan dito. Ang gulo po dahil maraming nag-aayos ng mga gamit, mga pasalubong. May iba nagbabalot ng mga bulad. Sorry. Ayan na, nagbabalot ng bulad. Ayan, bulad. Ano tawag na nga bulad? Anupin. Mga nagbabalot ng bulad. Hala. Yes, nag-iiyakan dahil sa mga emosyon ng mga tao dito. Kaya, ang iingay po, meron po ito mga bagoong. Mga bagoong, alamang, mga, ano tawag ito? Mga pasalubog, niluto, mga biskwit, mga corned beef. Ayan. Ito pong lahat ay binili para pasalubong po ito. Meron pong, tingnan nyo po kung ano to. Lemon. Kalamansi ba ni lemon? Kalamansi. 1 kilo. No, 1 kilo ng kalamansi. Ayan. Yan po. At meron doon, ano tawag ganin? Tabon-tabon. May nag-request ng tabon-tabon. May nag-request ng pangkinilaw. Ayan. So, yan. Ito po lahat. Wow. Hala ka, nice ani Bioy. Isa rin mga napalit ane. Dua?
500 lang to.
Wow, only 500 pesos. Ito po mga pasalubong natin. May kalo. Tulo ka ba kayo magipalit, be? Duha ra? Wow. Ayan. Meron din purong mga pants. So guys, we are getting ready. 2 bag na lang. At alis na po tayo. Huh? So heavy this one. I think this is 40 kilos. Another travel. But thanks God. It's not easy to travel.
Gusto ka na yung ako ni kami maday.
Daw?
Pwede yung
Kilos? It's okay. 15.
Suman mo yung living kuan. Living ano. Timbangan.
Bye-bye.
Bijoy!
Hoy! Gitilapan.
Mukis yan. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Good ba? Pants!
Bye-bye, Temblin.
For all your days. Bye! I know you're getting emotional right now.
Thank you.
Hoy! Tagtanan mo yung kubo pa! Joke lang.
Uy, si Yuan nagtabang na.
Thank you, Johan.
Baris, Han, baris.
Hello. Uy,
Uy! Ginagi mo mo. No.
I will do it, Johan. Wait. Wala nakalimtan ko. Ano daw, Jai? Ay, ang kuan, Jai, ang...
Ay, ang kinabuhi.
So, bye, Jam. We're gonna miss you. And no more Tia for now, but Tia will come back. Yeah. And you can also go to us next time. Okay? Enjoy yourself. Take care of yourself. And be a good student. Okay? Aim high. And be a valedictorian. Bye. Bye. So, should say bye to this room again. I would like to thank my own city, my hometown, Tagum, for acknowledging me last time. Daghang salamat, Stephanie Milash. So next time ulit, Tagum, we're going to travel now to Davao, and then Davao to Manila. Manila to Taiwan, Taiwan to Frankfurt. Grabe. Bye, Mom! Bye, Ma. Ingat dari, Ma. O, ikaw na lang isa. Hala. Lock naman siya. Na. Hoy, hagsap ka, Mama. Pagdali. Ikaw na lang isa, Ma. Magkuhan ka, Ma. Ayaw na si hago ba? Ayaw na si hago.
Sige, tawag kang Kia para din.
Ang bunso ni Mama.
Sige na.
Maya sig paghago-hago ma ha. Ikaw na lang isa diri ay na sig.
Asa ako kay puso.
Jay, bye ma. Amping.
Bye-bye.
Salamat ma sa pag-attend mo. No? Sabi niya mong kagaling na. Diyan, ayaw mo pagpabadlong ka mama ba?
Sira, oras ko na.
Ayaw mamitay. Ayaw pabadlong ka mo mga tabang niyo si mama. Pag-video ko lang ta. Sige lang kay para sa future man eh. Di ba? Bye-bye ma.
Bye-bye.
Hindi lang ako po yung trabaho.
Ilang tubig, ma?
Among kamong kay. Ako yung dala. Saan mo ito? Hindi mo lang kamong kay. Kamu ito mong bayabas. Burot na?
Bye-bye.
Ay, jam. Bye, jam.
Bye, Jam.
Ngayon na po siya lumabas. Alis na kami. Papunta na kami ng Germany. Gani.
Sige na kayo.
Sumang ka. Ingat na. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Aya.
Kiss ko, bihag. Kiss.
Amo ng van tapit.
Layo. Tuloy ko. O, bye na, bye! Ala.
Dili madalag jeep. Hindi naman ako ma-afford ko sa jeep.
Tara na kayo, malate na ta.
Ikabay ba yun?
Panahon ka rin to, Ra. Bye-bye.
Ano babay, oy? Kani man mo gaksa.
Hug na yun.
Papapicture kami.
May ako picture sa inyo, be. Wait lang. Bye, Jaira! Good luck! Okay.
Good luck sa your new journey.
Yes.
Ayaw.
na kay malate na to. 2, 3. Ngit-ngit gamay pero okay ra man pud.
Kita mo.
Bye-bye guys. Sige na kayo nagpunta na pa. Kamuha.
Mukha mag-artista ani.
Wa na.
Parang 3 years pa rin mo sa cellphone.
Usa oras na to.
Dapat mo. Dali na. Ay! Pwede li. Say for dala. Sige na po.
Oo. Bye to Papa also oy. Ikaw ba? Love Papa. Pwede pa video gang. Apil po ta. Jency? Joke lang. Bye pa. Bye. Luya ni. Video lang daw.
Ano tayo problema tayo ito?
Wala na. Pray meron.
Ha?
Sir, tanan bahala.
Kasi
Uy, mukha makakabugin na. Mukha makagtaong grasa.
Luya ni Papa. Ay, bye-bye. Isugod rin. O, bye na kay Tia. Hug, uy. Hug. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Ciao. Oh. And we're going back to Germany and bye Davao City. Bagahin natin, naka-check-in na. 1, 2. Bye Davao. 1, 2, 3, pop. Oh!